What's up guys, my name is Hadi and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to review Godox SL-60W video light. I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, the product is already unboxed, but I just want to show you what the box looks like and what you will find in the box. The box contains SL-60W unit, a reflector, a long power cable. The cable is the same as computer or monitor power cable, remote control, an LED head protector, and also introduction book. The unit has umbrella holder, and you can find a hole under reflector too, in the case if you want to use umbrella with a reflector attached to the light. Personally, I don't use the control on the back of the light. I only use remote control. This light is so cheap and affordable for anyone. The remote and the light doesn't sync automatically with each other. So what you can do is only use the remote or the light itself. Otherwise, the number will not match with each other. I will put all the necessary links in the description. The light cost around $134. And there are two things I want to talk about. Is the color temperature. It is not adjustable, so it's fixed 5600 Kelvin, so you cannot change the color temperature. The second, the fan has some noise, but for me it was always okay. I never noticed any noises on my videos, but if you record video very close to the unit, you will find some noises in your video. So you have to think about that. In this video I'm not showing you how to use the light because I found it very simple and easy. All you have to do is plug the light to the wall and turn it on. Then adjust the light with the adjustable knob or remote control. If you have several of this light, you can put them in the same channel in case you want to control them by one remote. But I have only one, so I can't show you how to group them. On the back of the unit, you will see power switch, input power, LCD brightness control, and of course LCD and also channel group button. The LCD shows three important information. One, on the top of the LCD you will find channel number or group. In the middle you will see the percentages of the brightness. In the bottom you see the system temperature, and there is no fan control. This light capable of 16 channels and 6 groups. Here I'm showing you how to add an umbrella to the unit. As I said at the beginning of the video, there is an umbrella holder. You just put the umbrella and tighten the screw. It is very easy. As I mentioned before, this light is simple and easy to use, so it's not complicated. But if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. That's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace.